So today we are making some minced spaghetti and minced meat. So we start off with some oil and onions first until they become brown. Onion looks good, so we add our red pepper, we add our onion, we add our carrot. We are going to use some paprika, then we have a teaspoon, then we have our tomato paste, then we put a spoonful of that, and our beef cube, a small beef cube. Salt. Then we mix that together for it to form a nice sauce as it tastes. Tomatoes have made a nice sauce. So now we are going to add our meatballs. So we separate them and already remove them from the freezer. We just separate them and just place them on our sauce to cook now. This is raw. At least they absorb the spices and the salt in it. So now we cover for the meat now, for the meatballs to cook. So now we are going to check on our meatballs. We need to check so that we don't stick the cooking pot. Yes, now we have our meatballs just there cooking nicely. Check on meatballs. I just added some water for it to help the meatballs cook well. And then I'll have some tasted. So now I'll add the spaghetti. I had pre-cooked the spaghetti, so I'll only put them in. Fast meal that can just take almost like 15 minutes for you to make for your family. This is how it looks. Just give it like 3 minutes for the spaghetti to get the heat and the flavor. So now we're going to check. This is nice. It looks colorful. See the final end result. So here is the final presentation as I've served. Let me taste this for you. This is good. Even I think my daughter can taste. Darling. Nice. Thank you guys. Bye. This is this spaghetti and meatballs. Simple recipe, 15 minutes and you're done.